Hi everyone, and welcome to We Eat at Last, where I share delicious air fryer recipes and tasty dishes from around the world. Today we're going to be making Engelsaugen, also known as Kulleraugen, and these are classic German thumbprint cookies. For those who don't know, the name Engelsaugen simply refers to angel's eyes, a name that probably comes from the germ filled centers.
So let's get started.
To start with, whisk the butter and sugar in a bowl until creamy. Next, add the vanilla sugar, and this is just regular sugar mixed with the seeds of a vanilla pod. Combine, then add the grated rind of 1 lemon.
I like to use my spatula to combine at this point, but obviously you can use your electric whisk if you prefer. Add in your egg yolks. You can use 1 or 2 depending on the size of the eggs you're using. Mine were really small, so I used 2. And then you just want to add in the flour a little at a time and combine. I like to go in and use my hands at this point to combine the dough, but you can always use a mixer if you prefer.
Chill the dough in the fridge for at least 30 minutes before baking, as this helps them keep their form during baking. Next, cut the cookies. You can cut them as you prefer, just not too big, as you still want them to cook properly, and you also don't want them too small, otherwise you won't be able to fill them.
Next, roll the cookies between the palm of your hands and shape them into balls like this. Use your thumb, the back of a spoon, or any small object to make indentations in the middle for the filling.
So traditionally, Engelsaugen are usually filled with Johannisbeerengelee, which is basically red currant jelly, but you can use any filling of your choice to fill them, from peanut butter, lemon curd, or nougat. You can fill the cookies before or after baking, so the decision is totally up to you. I personally like to fill them after baking, as I find they sort of maintain a nice red color in the center this way. And then you just want to dust them with powdered sugar, and that's it. And one more thing, you want to allow the cookies to cool completely before transferring them from the baking tray. I hope you enjoyed this Engelsaugen recipe. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe, as well as click on the notification button below so you get notified each time I upload a new video. I am glad you stopped by, and until next time, bye bye.